The other part you want to think about is also you're able to build more of a professional look. Matt can reiterate this with the corporate ID idea.
Yeah, the digital customizations, like I said, you can install certain applications that allow you to add almost like custom pages to your Facebook page. So for example, you go to like Best Buy or for example, say a phone case company called OtterBox, they'll have these extra little tabs up there they can put for events that they have going on, or you know, have a picture of the product, stuff like that. And you can integrate these applications. You can choose which ones you want to use and basically customize it more like your own personal website.
The other thing to think about is when somebody joins your fan group, when they hit like, that hits their page, and then that gives their friends to know that they're involved as well. So obviously they're going to tell their friends about it and get them to join that, hey, you need to be a part of this. And that also goes along with anything else you do on that page. If that person makes a post, it automatically hits their page. If there's some type of a comment flow and so forth, it goes from one thing to another. Keep creating a viral message better than even regular word of mouth.
Is it more difficult to create a fan page than a group?
No. In essence, they both created with the same amount of effort. The key thing is what you put on it and with the logo work and so forth, how integrate
Some
you
of
want to
the
get.
customizations, as far as the custom tabs, you may need someone who knows a little bit of web code if you want to do those types of customizations. But in general, both of them have, a profile image, the same sort of business information you can enter in them. And both of them, of course, require commitment by whoever's running them to constantly keep them upgraded and keep interacting with people. Don't think of it as like a static newspaper or anything like that. This is about building communities, about interacting with the fans of your business, because the way everything is interconnected with Facebook, that kind of word of mouth advertising is priceless, and it's going to happen at the speed of the internet if you do it right.
Right. Now something else you can do here is you can interject groups with fan pages depending how you do it. Like for instance with Dangerous Events, we have an East Coast group and a Central Ohio group. The reason why we separated the two is because there's events that we only are having here in Ohio, and there's events going on out on the East Coast. If we had done that all through the fan page, that can get a little confusing. So we've separated it so people that want to know what's going on in one city can get their information. They're not being bogged down with events going on out here. The other difference here too is when you're starting off with a small group and you're developing to go to the fan page, you can use the group as your starting point for learning how to create your events and pushing it that way. And what I mean by that is, like in a group setting, when you're setting up an event, you're able to invite the whole group with one fell swoop, rather than the fan page where it's more of a viral thing where you're just updating the fans. I would say what you want to start off with by getting in order to learn how to do a fan page and you're just starting out, start with a group just to get the feel of it, and then work your way in so you understand what you want your fan page to automatically do. This way you learn more, you get more involved, and then therefore you can make a decision on how you want to use each application.